Hey, welcome to my apartment. Come on in. Before we get into the video, I just wanted to give you guys some updates. It's been like 4 months since I posted my last video, and I said this one would come soon after. Since then, I didn't really feel safe posting where I live on the internet. Yeah, we're moving out soon, my roommate and I. We're moving out in like a week here, so I think it's safe for me to post this place now, since I won't be living here anymore. It's been really fun living in this building for like 2 years. It's time to move on. I'm really excited for the new chapter. Anyway though, let's continue on with the apartment tour. So I live in this apartment. It's 2 bedroom, 2 washrooms, and 2 balconies. I live here with my best friend Chloe. She's not here right now, and actually a lot of these clips that you're going to see are from the summertime. They're not current videos because, like I said in the disclaimer, didn't feel comfortable with showing where I lived. So this is the kitchen here behind me. It's very small. Has lovely city views. It's just a little too small for especially how big this apartment is. It's kind of crazy how they don't just knock down this wall and make it open concept. There's some structural things involved that make it not be able to happen, but we make it work. So as you walk down here, this is the living room and dining room. Pretty large space. We have 2 windows, one facing the city on that way, and then the other one is facing the ocean. Great sunlight actually comes through there in the morning and then in the evening on the other side. We actually have this secret liquor cabinet. Don't mind if I do. Oh my god, I fucking hate Fireball. This is our liquor cabinet. Pretty cute, break in case of emergency. This is our beautiful living room. We have obviously our Christmas decor up because it is almost December. Even though we're gonna have to take it down and put it in our new place, but that will be pretty fun. Connected to the living room, we have our front balcony, which faces out onto the seawall and the ocean, and it's the most beautiful thing to watch the sunrise or sunset out there. And it's so peaceful and quiet. It's really beautiful. I'm really sad to move out of here. This is actually one of my favorite plants here. It's grown so much. Pretty sure I got it from Canadian Tire or something, and it was on for $10 because it was dying, and I revived it and I'm able actually to propagate it now. Crazy thing about it is that it's growing these little baby, like the white and green pothos, or not pothos, the white and green monstera, which apparently is super rare. I didn't know that. They're super expensive too. So this old $10 plant is gonna make me hundreds in the future if I decide to sell it. So that's pretty cool. Next clip you will see, since we are in the living room, is gonna be Chloe's room because it's like right off of the living room, and my room is actually at the back of the apartment building. So yeah, fast forward to Chloe's room.
Welcome to my room. This is my room. My favorite part about this room is probably the view, obviously. I also love that I have a giant coffee table right in the middle. I wasn't sure what to do with this space because it's so big, and I'm really happy it worked out because I feel like it just sets a different vibe in here. I have a bathroom in here, which is great because I'm messy. That's exactly why I got this room, because Jesse didn't want to share a bathroom with me, so I'm messy. This is my closet. I love my closet. I love that it's a walk-in. I also love that there's no door on it. I feel like it makes the space super airy and open. Or Louis Vuitton. What else is super cool about my room? My giant bird of paradise. I got that as a birthday present from a dear friend. Very loving. Dirty bitch.
Anyways, all the way back there, that's my room, so let's go check it out. While we're in the hall, this is my washroom. I painted the wall a mud cloth print. I think I would do it a bit different in the new place. Kind of more of like, oh my god, I'm out of breath from running. I really do still like it. Kind of, I feel like it's a little busy still though. So in the new place, definitely gonna make it a little brighter, I think, and just a little more different. I really like how this little washroom turned out. Moving on to my room. This is my beautiful bedroom. I'm really gonna miss this room. It's amazing to have for a year, or I guess almost a year. I've also switched it up so many times since living here because I always like change, so but I really like this final product. I just like how I put the desk in the closet and move my mirror out here. It just feels way more open. I actually use my desk more when it's in the closet because I get more natural light, so it's easier for me to do my makeup and I can just look out there. But before, when it was on the wall, I didn't really like it, or I didn't really use it much. Over here, I've had this pothos plant on my wall since I was in high school, I'm pretty sure. It was really small when I was in high school, but it's grown a lot since the 3 years of moving out. It looks like it's dying a little bit now and I don't know what to do, so I'm kind of stressing about that. And out here is my balcony. Has a view of the city and the water as well. It was really easy for Chloe and I to decide on which rooms we wanted because she
It's all messy.
definitely she would need her own washroom. And then me, I like to smoke weed a lot. Moving on, this is my closet. I have my desk in here now. It's a huge closet. And we're really excited to be moving and starting a new chapter. We really enjoyed this place and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Saw how I decorated the place. Stay tuned for new videos. Don't know when I'll post one. Bye.